Good morning students. I am back with your English reasoning video for class 3rd. And the topic we are going to learn today is blood relations. So before starting our topic, let us discuss the meaning of blood relation. Okay students, now come to the meaning of blood relations. Blood relations show the different relations among the members of a family. It means the relations we get by birth or from our family, they are blood relations to us. So I hope you understood the meaning of blood relation. Let us understand by the examples of blood relation questions. Let us take our first question. It says, introducing a girl, Vipin said, her mother is my wife. How is Vipin related to the girl? The question says, Vipin is introducing a girl and he says that her mother is my wife. Means the mother of that girl is his wife. So how is Vipin related to the girl? When the mother of that girl is his wife, it is easily understandable. It is understood by this statement that the mother of that girl is his wife. So he surely be his father. Surely be the mother that girl's father. So answer will be father. Okay students, now come to question number 2. It says A, B and C are siblings. Siblings, we all know that brother and sister we call sibling. Their parents have 2 male and 1 female child C. One person between these 3 is saying A, B, C are siblings. They are brother and sister. Now their parents have 2 male. Now they are saying, second statement is saying that इनके जो parents हैं, they have 2 male and 1 female child C. So now we get the answer from here that child C is the female child. So obviously what we find is A and B are male. They are male, so they must be brothers. Understood students? Now come to question number 3. If B says that his mother is the wife of A, what is the relation between A and B? If B says, see, if the person is saying something, you keep yourself at the place of him. That it just suppose that I am B. B says that his mother, it means my mother is the wife of A. My mother is the wife of my father. A is my father. Then what is the relation between A and B? Then what is the relation between A and B? It means they are asking my father relation and me. So obviously I am his daughter. Okay, but now how we can find out that whether B is a daughter or a son? Here his mother. They are saying his mother, it means B is a boy. So father and son will be the right answer. I hope you understood about this question. Now come to 4th question. Here Rama and Shama are siblings. Arya is Shama's daughter. Then we have to tell the connection between Rama and Arya. So Rama is Arya's whom? Here we can see that Rama and Shama are siblings, they are sisters. Then the daughter of Shama is Arya. So obviously when the daughter of Shama's is Arya, so Rama will be her aunt. So this will be the correct answer. Okay, students, now here I want to tell you one thing. One thing to keep in your mind while doing the blood relation question is keep yourself in mind at the place of man or woman given. Here, pointing to a man, a woman said, "He is the son of my uncle." How is the man related to woman? It means एक मैन को पॉइंट करते हुए एक वुमेन बोलती है कि जो वो मैन है वो मेरे अंकल का बेटा है। आपके अंकल का बेटा कौन हुआ? जस्ट कीप योर सेल्फ इन एट द प्लेस ऑफ दिस पर्सन एंड यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर्स इजीली। नाउ हियर यू कैन आप अपने अंकल के बेटा, इट मीन्स आपके अंकल का, आपके चाचा का, मामा का, आपके अंकल का बेटा आपका कौन हुआ? कजन. सो कजन विल बी द राइट आंसर. These are the very easy questions. All you have to do is you have to keep yourself at the place of the blood relation given in the question, and you can finally solve the answers. Okay, students, this is it for this class. I hope you understood the topic and you liked the topic. I'll be giving you 5 questions in homework to solve. Solve it and then send the picture or send the solved answers to me. So bye bye for now. Take care. See you in next video.